Give me 5 minutes and 5 letters, and you can design an AI agent on almost any platform. No coding hostage situation required. By the end, you will have a practical design card for one repetitive job, plus a way to stop your helpful assistant becoming a very efficient idiot. An AI agent is a model with a job, instructions, access to tools, and enough freedom to choose its next step until the task is finished. A model answers. An agent uses a loop to decide what to do next, then checks whether it worked. Think less Terminator, more new employee with suspiciously fast typing. The brain matters, but so do the job description, the office rules, and the keys you hand over. If your aim is, run my business, the agent may need a holiday before it starts. For our example, we're building an inquiry agent. Its aim is to prepare accurate replies for you to approve, not just help me run my business. That's too vague. A useful aim includes a finish line. Answer the question, use approved facts, and wait for review. Clear instructions matter. If you don't have a clear aim, you won't have a useful agent. Give it a target. Next is G, guardrails and grounding. Grounding is the agent's source of truth. Guardrails are what it must never do. Grounding keeps the agent close to your approved information instead of letting imagination invoice the customer. For our inquiry agent, use only our price list and FAQs. Never invent a price, and never send an email without my approval. Separate drafting from sending. Humans should approve sensitive actions before they leave the building. One is an assistant, the other is an assistant with your credit card. Give it a fence before you give it freedom. E is for equipment. These are the tools your agent needs, like your inbox, calendar, or specific documents. Choose tools by job, not excitement. Your agent needs a screwdriver, not the entire garage. For our agent, we give it 3 tools. Read inquiries, read FAQs, and create a draft. That's it. Minimum tools for maximum focus. Plan for tool failure. A missing FAQ should trigger a human handoff, not confident creative writing. N is navigation. This is the loop that makes an AI an agent. Say it with me. Look, choose, act, check. Look at the question, choose the tool, act by drafting, check the result. If it passes, stop and ask for approval. The loop is practical. Inspect the request, choose the source, draft the answer, then verify every rule. Always include a stop condition, or you've just built an AI that reorganizes the stationery cupboard forever. A stop condition prevents endless busy work. Even robots should know when the stationery cupboard is finished. Finally, T is for test. Don't just test the easy stuff. Give your agent 5 driving tests, even the ones designed to make it fail. Test a normal inquiry, missing info, and even a customer asking for something forbidden. Did it get the right result and take the right route? Test forbidden requests too. The best agent is not the one that always says yes. It knows when to stop. Quick recap. A is aim. G is guardrails. E is equipment. N is navigation. And T is test. That's your design. When testing, inspect the final answer and the route taken. A lucky result can still hide a terrible process. Your job this week, pick one repetitive task, fill out an A.G.E.N.T card, and design it before you build it. A is aim. G is guardrails. E is equipment. N is navigation. T is test. That is your design card. If this lesson gave you value, like the episode, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share the podcast with someone building their first agent.